QuickBooks Self-Employed versus QuickBooks Online, which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you which accounting software is better among QuickBooks Self-Employed and QuickBooks Online. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with QuickBooks Self-Employed. QuickBooks Self-Employed is tailored specifically for freelancers and independent contractors. Simplifies tax tracking, including quarterly tax estimates and Schedule C. Allows for simple invoicing and expense tracking. Includes automatic mileage tracking for business trips. Lower price point compared to other QuickBooks versions. Somehow, it lacks many features that are available in QuickBooks Online. Does not offer payroll services. Not suitable for growing businesses that need more advanced features. Now, let's come towards QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online includes a wide range of accounting tools suitable for small to medium sized businesses. Offers various plans that can grow with your business. Integrates with a large number of apps and services. Offers payroll services and inventory tracking. Allows multiple users with different access levels. More expensive than QuickBooks Self Employed. Can be overwhelming for users new to accounting software. Requires time to fully understand and utilize all features. Choosing between QuickBooks Self-Employed and QuickBooks Online in 2024 depends on the size and complexity of your business. QuickBooks Self-Employed is ideal for freelancers and independent contractors looking for affordable and straightforward tax and expense tracking. QuickBooks Online offers comprehensive features, scalability, and multiple user access, making it suitable for growing businesses that need a full suite of accounting tools. Consider your business needs, budget, and future growth plans to determine which version of QuickBooks aligns best with your accounting requirements. That's all for this video.